Hello, my dear friends. Once again, the team of A.S.S Science Foundation is here with a very special and very inspiring story of one of our student, Manu Sharma. So Manu Sharma have joined us for the preparation of GATE Environmental Science and Engineering, in which he succeed in very first attempt. After that, he was preparing with our expert mentor team for the various interviews such as ISC, ISR, IIT, CSR labs, and various other universities. In that series, Manu has given the exam and the interview at IIT Dhanbad, popularly known as ISM Dhanbad, which is a very prestigious institute for research and academics. In that series, he got the final PhD admission in the Department of Environmental Science and Engineering at IIT Dhanbad or ISM Dhanbad. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate Manu Sharma. Before joining us, Manu has did his graduation in B.SC Chemistry from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and Masters in Environmental Sciences from Amity, Mohali. Then he subsequently joined our program for the preparation of GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. And finally, he got into ISM Dhanbad or IIT Dhanbad. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team congratulate him and wish him good luck for the future PhD journey. At present, the institute is offering online, offline, correspondence with video, only correspondence, test series, and mentorship program for December 2025 Environmental Science and Engineering, along with GATE 2026, where you can have two optional Environmental Science Engineering and Ecology Evolution. Institute is also offering the guidance for various exams such as HPSC, Jammu Kashmir PSC, BPSC, where environmental sciences subject aspirants can participate. The institute also offer CUET PG program exclusively for environmental sciences with full focus lectures and guidelines. The institute also offer CUET PG program for life sciences, biotech, microbiology, zoology, botany, etc. The institute also offer specialized interview guidance and research proposal writing program for PhD students and master students who are willing to do their PhD or masters in abroad. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible through our numbers or website or our Instagram page or YouTube page if they wish to crack these exams in the very first go with a good score and willing to make their career in research and academics. Once again, we would like to congratulate Manu Sharma for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.